This compact, motor-driven, chrome-look Siren is built with a heavy-duty permanent magnet motor that ensures many years of dependable service and produces a loud sound suitable for short duty cycles. The angle of the Siren can be adjusted vertically for mounting flexibility and to point the sound exactly where you want it. Housing and mounting bracket are made of strong metal and installation is extremely easy with a simple 2-wire hookup. Ideal for all vehicles with a 12-volt system.